Mm.
Spark plug, copper wire, lead light bulb. Wala sira yan ha. Walang daya. And magnet. Lagay natin to. Copper wire. Tapos, ikot lang natin. Suksok natin. Yun. Tapos, isuksok naman natin ang ating magnet. Yan. Tapos, pagayan na. Walang daya yan. Walang battery yan. Andyan lang magnet. Ilagay naman natin ang ilaw natin. Oh, may ilaw. Walang sira yan. Lagay ulit natin. Free energy, libreng ilaw from copper magnetic coil. Strong magnet na may copper. Magpapailaw ng lead light. Okay?